Status update. So I think it's funny because every time I'm in the most like awkward position, that's totally the wrong word, awkward place, and my ringtone will go off for a text. And it's always hilarious because it's always with like the most awkward people that don't know what to do. So it's totally worth it. So take a listen. Here you go. One more time. Anyways, it always cracks me up. I think one time was like, someone was like, geez, you really are the whole package when they heard that. And I thought it was funny. Anyways, that's it. I just wanted to share my ringtone because ringtones are ridiculous anyways, so that's why I think we should just have like the most ridiculous one. Like totally. So peace up, hate down, Judy Brown. I don't know. Goodbye.